Could the secret to unlocking a healthier future lie within the confines of your dinner plate? Imagine an array of vibrant greens, a bounty of purple yams, a drizzle of olive oil, a handful of blueberries, a sprinkle of assorted nuts, a serving of ripe tomatoes, a scoop of hearty beans, and a bowl of wholesome oats. Each of these foods harbors a wealth of nutrients that can transform your health for the better. Picture the leafy greens, brimming with folate, essential for cell growth and repair. Their abundance in vitamins and minerals, coupled with their low-calorie content, makes them a heart-friendly choice. Now, envision the purple yams, laden with anthocyanin antioxidants that boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Their high fiber content promotes gut health and lowers the risk of chronic illnesses. Imagine the olive oil, a Mediterranean diet staple packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, reducing the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Next, think of the blueberries, loaded with anthocyanins that aid in weight management and neuroprotection. They shield against oxidative stress, lower blood pressure, and enhance memory. Consider the nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, rich in unsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They bolster heart health, assist in weight management, and promote skin and vision health. And then, the tomatoes, abundant in lycopene, which lowers bad cholesterol and reduces cancer risk. They're also high in fiber and vitamin C, boosting immunity and aiding digestion. Picture the beans and legumes, providing plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbs. They aid in weight loss, balance blood sugar levels, and enhance gut health. Finally, envision the oats, rich in fiber that regulates blood sugar levels and reduces LDL cholesterol, lowering the risk of heart disease and promoting longevity. The key to a healthier future may indeed lie within your dinner plate. By incorporating these nutritious foods into your diet, you pave the way to a longer, healthier life. So, what's your favorite health-boosting food? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.